my subscribers started sending me a free AI trading bot, asking me to see what kind of tool it was. I had heard about it before. According to the description, it analyzes market data using technical indicators and works 24/7. Today, I will show you what it looks like from the inside, what functions it has, and how it all works. Let's test the bot. First, I'll take a screenshot of the PocketOption chart and upload it to Max Plus Bot. The bot is now analyzing the chart and generating a signal. The analysis is complete. The bot is suggesting a sell trade. We'll enter our trade amount. The trade is now active. The position is closed. Trade win. The first signal was successful. Now let's test another chart. I'll take a new screenshot and upload it to Max Plus Bot. The bot is analyzing the chart. The analysis is complete. Max Plus Bot is suggesting a buy trade. We'll change our amount up to $190. Let's place the trade and follow the bot's analysis. The trade is now active. The position has closed. Trade win. I'll take another screenshot of the chart and upload it to Max Plus Bot. The bot is analyzing the market conditions. The analysis is complete. The bot is suggesting a sell trade. We'll increase our amount up to $360. Let's place the trade. The trade is now active. The position is closed. Trade win. That's how this quick boat test ended. If you're curious and want to learn more, I've left a link in comments box and description, and you can test it yourself when you're ready. Just remember that this is not financial advice. Trading always involves risks.